Happy Friday, everybody. Happy 3-day weekend. Today, I took 2 trades on a Friday. One on SPY, which was a great trade. Took that for a win. And I also took a put on Tesla, which is the trade that I'm going to go over. That particular trade I took for a loss. The reason why I want to go over this trade is because it's very important. I already had a plan coming into the day. I wrote it out. I put it in my WhatsApp group. I didn't follow the plan. I took a different route and then took a loss. And then right now, as I'm speaking and recording this video, the plan that I wrote out is happening. I didn't wait for it. So again, it's happening without me. I won't do the tier. My son didn't like the tier. That's what I'm about to show you. Come on. So first, let me show you my plan. Going to take it easy on a Friday, of course, not trying to give any profits back from the week. Today, I'm really just trying to watch pullbacks to high of day and holds with continuation. I'm watching SPY, QQQ, IWM, Tesla, INTC, which is Intel. That's what I'm looking for. So before I have it in replay mode, so I just want to show you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this. Pull up, pull back, continuation. Pretty boring, pretty basic, pretty easy. Just hard to sit on your hands, I guess, for myself today to wait for that to develop. So I'm going to show you first my losing trade. I'm on the 2-minute chart, and as you can see, Tesla pulls immediately into previous day high and rejects. That's not a trade for me. There's no entry there for me. We're pulling back into pre-market high. Now, one thing I kind of failed to realize is this is another high as well. This is a break, retest, and it can also be continuation to the upside, targeting previous day high. I didn't see that. And this is just a great look on a break and retest for pre-market high with having a target up there. But myself, I'm looking at this for puts. I actually enter puts after we break pre-market high, we hold below, and we get continuation on this weak candle. You can see that it's a pretty weak candle, but when the open of this particular candle got broke, I jumped into puts. My stop loss is right here. All right. And I'm targeting a 1-to-1. This is what happens. So on this candle right here, I had an opportunity of getting out of this particular trade or getting back to my initial plan, which was a break and retest of highs. And this is what is showing to me right now on pre-market high. But I'm totally blind to this. I'm super put biased naturally. And this particular candle kept me in the trade. I was like, oh, I'm a genius because I didn't get wicked out or stopped out right at pre-market high. I knew that this was going to go down. I know a lot of people got taken out right here and I didn't. So I'm going to stay into this particular trade and ride this down to pre-market low. And on that next candle, I'm out. So, I mean, there was increase in volume down here. No reason for me to take puts here. No reason. But I took puts. I took the loss, taking on the chin like a champ. Now here comes the break and retest, the first break and retest of a high. Let's go ahead and erase this. So here we go. That's the break of pre-market high, the retest, and the continuation with volume. You can see down here at the volume, big volume right here. Big volume. So how you enter this, or how I would have entered this, you could do it two different ways. You can be aggressive and see that this is a retest, a break, a retest, and you can get into that trade immediately when this candle opens, closes, or wait for this candle is what I do. As I'll wait for this particular candle. It is actually above pre-market high, so I would go long here at the beginning of this candle. Stop loss is right below the last down candle, which is right below pre-market high. Great risk to reward, 1.65 to 1 risk to reward. And we'll just let this thing play out. So you're in take profit already. Now you just have a runner. Your runner just blasted through previous day high. What a trade. But that's not even the trade that I'm talking about. I specifically said that I was targeting previous day high, which I feel is a stronger level than the pre-market highs, pre-market low levels, but still those are valid key levels. Look at this trade here. Another break, another retest. Entry here is after the completion of this candle or the beginning of it. So let's just say we waited. Stop loss right at the low of this candle. We're targeting one to one. I'm specifically targeting 1 to 1 on my first scale out and allowing my runner to try to do the rest of the heavy work. There we go. Take profit 1 to 1. Let's let the runner run. No longer pushing high of day. So starting to base up here. So good. This was a good push for the runner, although I do have a key level of 434.66 at the top. It eventually comes back down to previous day high. So there you go. The moral of the story is trust the process, trade your plan, and track the probabilities. This put here was a very low probability trade, but I'm going to track it. I'm out.